Welcome back to the channel where we help you find the coolest gadgets to level up your daily brew. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Nespresso machines of 2025, the perfect companions for that smooth, barista-style coffee at home. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Ready to discover which one is right for you? Let's dive straight in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Asenza Mini. This tiny powerhouse proves that good things really do come in small packages. With its ultra-compact design, it fits effortlessly into any kitchen or even your office desk. But don't be fooled by its size. The Asenza Mini delivers 19 bars of pressure for rich, crema-topped espresso every time. If you're a minimalist who craves delicious simplicity, this is the machine for you. Bring the authentic cafe experience straight to your countertop with the Nespresso Asenza Mini Coffee and Espresso Machine. Designed for simplicity, performance, and style, this compact powerhouse delivers exceptional coffee with every cup. Powered by a 19-bar high-pressure pump, the Asenza Mini extracts the full richness and aroma of each Nespresso capsule, creating smooth, velvety crema that rivals your favorite barista's brew. With 2 programmable buttons, you can easily customize your preferred cup size, whether you're in the mood for a bold espresso or a longer lungo. Simplicity meets sophistication in this ultralight, space-saving design. At just 8 inches tall, the Asenza Mini fits seamlessly into any kitchen, small apartment, or office. Despite its compact footprint, it's equipped with a 20.3-ounce removable water tank, giving you the freedom to brew multiple cups without constant refilling. Efficiency is built into every detail. The machine heats up in under 30 seconds, so you can enjoy your morning pick-me-up without waiting. After 9 minutes of inactivity, it powers off automatically, helping conserve energy. For even more savings, it enters low-energy mode after just 3 minutes. Each purchase includes the Nespresso Original Capsule Welcome Kit, featuring a curated selection of capsules with unique aroma profiles. This thoughtful gift lets you explore a world of flavors from the very first brew. For the best results, remember to use the right grind size and tamping pressure. Coarse grinds or too little coffee can affect the brewing pressure and extraction. Consult the included user manual for clear instructions and troubleshooting tips to help you get the most from your machine. At number 4, we have the CityZ and Milk, the stylish all-rounder. With its retro-modern look, it instantly upgrades your countertop. But the real magic? The integrated Arancino milk frother. Create creamy cappuccinos or silky lattes at the push of a button. Fast heat-up, intuitive controls, and effortless cleaning make this a favorite for busy coffee enthusiasts. Experience the perfect blend of sophisticated design and exceptional performance with the Nespresso CityZ Coffee and Espresso Machine by Delonghi. Whether you're an espresso purist or a latte lover, this elegant machine transforms your kitchen into a personal cafe. Inspired by modern retro style, the CityZ's refined lines and compact footprint make it a natural fit in any decor. With its sleek black finish, it adds a touch of luxury to every coffee moment. Crafted for simplicity and precision, this fully automatic espresso machine delivers cafe-quality beverages at the push of a button. Powered by a 1,710-watt heating system, it quickly reaches optimal brewing temperature, while the 19-bar high-pressure pump extracts every drop of rich, aromatic flavor from your Nespresso Original capsules. The CityZ doesn't just stop at espresso. Thanks to the integrated Arancino milk frother, you can create smooth, creamy froth for lattes, cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks. With this versatile duo, you'll be ready to craft everything from a strong espresso shot to a luxurious, frothy latte in seconds. User-friendly controls make operation effortless. Simply load a capsule, select your preferred cup size, and enjoy. The machine also features programmable buttons, an automatic shut-off function for energy savings, and a reusable filter for added convenience. To welcome you into the world of Nespresso, each machine includes a complimentary capsule kit. Discover a curated range of unique aroma profiles to find your favorite blend. With its blend of striking design, smart technology, and unparalleled ease of use, the Nespresso CityZ is the ultimate choice for those who value style as much as flavor. Coming in at number 3 is the Latisimo One, your ticket to cafe-quality coffee at home. This beauty features a one-touch milk system that froths and pours the perfect amount automatically. Just fill the milk container, pop in a capsule, and press a button. You'll be sipping a velvety latte in seconds. Sleek, compact, and oh so easy to use, the Latisimo One is ideal for anyone who loves milky creations without the hassle. Transform your daily coffee ritual with the Nespresso Latisimo One original espresso machine with milk frother. Beautifully designed in a modern shadow black finish, this compact powerhouse lets you create your favorite coffee recipes effortlessly. No barista skills required. With 2 coffee selections, you can enjoy a rich, aromatic espresso or a smooth lungo with the simple touch of a button. But what truly sets the Latisimo One apart is its one-touch fresh milk system, designed to prepare creamy, cafe-style drinks in seconds. Whether you crave an espresso macchiato, a velvety cappuccino, or a luxurious latte macchiato, you'll love the convenience of brewing professional-quality beverages at home. The thoughtfully designed single-serve milk jug comes with a detachable lid, making it easy to refill and clean between preparations. Plus, the milk jug is dishwasher safe, so you spend less time cleaning and more time savoring each sip. The removable water tank adds another layer of convenience, simplifying refills and maintenance. Measuring just the right size to fit any kitchen counter, the Latisimo One boasts a compact footprint without sacrificing capacity or performance. An intuitive descaling alert notifies you when it's time for maintenance, ensuring your machine stays in peak condition and delivers the perfect cup every time. Each machine is compatible with Nespresso original espresso capsules, so you can explore a world of flavors and intensities. To get you started, your Latisimo One includes a complimentary starter set of Nespresso original capsules, an ideal way to discover your favorites. Bring a touch of luxury to your mornings and impress your guests with coffee creations that look and taste incredible. With the Nespresso Latisimo One, it only takes a single touch to enjoy indulgent, barista-style beverages in the comfort of your home. Runner-up on our list is the versatile Virtuo Next. This machine isn't just about espresso. It brews 5 different cup sizes, from a quick shot to a full mug. Thanks to Nespresso's centrifusion technology, each pod spins up to 7,000 times per minute, blending coffee and crema to perfection. Plus, the Virtuo Next is made from 54% recycled materials, a big win for eco-conscious coffee drinkers. Discover a new world of coffee possibilities with the Nespresso Virtuo Next coffee and espresso maker. Crafted for coffee lovers who crave variety and simplicity, this sleek, fully automatic machine transforms every cup into a moment of pure enjoyment. With one-touch brewing, the Virtuo Next lets you prepare everything from bold espressos to smooth, full-bodied coffee and refreshing iced recipes, all in the comfort of your home. Thanks to innovative centrifusion technology, each capsule spins up to 7,000 rotations per minute, blending ground coffee and water to create a rich crema and consistent flavor every time. Designed to be intuitive and effortless, this machine takes the guesswork out of brewing. After each cup, the capsule is automatically ejected and neatly stored, ready for recycling. The Virtuo Next even shuts off automatically to help save energy, so you can enjoy your coffee without worrying about waste. Compact yet powerful, this machine packs a 1,260-watt heating system into a slim, modern design that fits beautifully in any kitchen. Perfect for small spaces, apartments, or home offices. Its minimalist, dark gray finish complements any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your countertop. Each machine comes with a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules, so you can sample a variety of flavors and find your favorites. From mild and smooth to bold and intense, there's a blend for every taste and every occasion. With programmable settings, eco-friendly operation, and effortless cleanup. The Virtuo Next makes enjoying cafe-style coffee at home as easy as pressing a button. And finally, our number one pick, the Creatista Plus. If you want the ultimate luxury coffee experience, this is the machine to beat. It combines Nespresso's convenience with the power of a steam wand, letting you texture milk exactly the way you like it. You can craft everything from flat whites to latte art, all with professional quality. The stainless steel finish, fast heat up, and intuitive display make it a true showpiece for any kitchen. Experience the height of coffee innovation with the Nespresso Creatista Pro by Breville. Designed for coffee enthusiasts who crave cafe-quality beverages at home, this sophisticated machine combines the power of Nespresso's capsule brewing with advanced milk texturing technology for an unforgettable cup every time. With the Creatista Pro, you can enjoy freshly brewed coffee and rich, authentic espresso at the touch of a button. Whether you prefer a bold espresso shot, a smooth lungo, or a creamy latte poured over ice, this machine delivers exceptional results without the complexity. The intuitive TFT LCD display guides you through every step from preparation to maintenance. Easily customize your coffee volume, milk texture, and temperature, and save your favorite recipes for effortless brewing whenever you crave them. The high-resolution display makes operations seamless, even if you're using it for the first time. What truly sets the Creatista Pro apart is its integrated automatic steam wand. This professional-grade milk frother lets you create silky microfoam and beautiful latte art right in your kitchen. No training required. With adjustable settings, you can achieve the perfect texture for flat whites, cappuccinos, and more. Every detail is crafted for performance and style. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of luxury to your countertop, while thoughtful accessories like the stainless steel milk jug, removable drip grid and tray, and pop-out cup support make brewing and cleaning a breeze. Each machine includes a tasting box of Nespresso capsules, so you can explore a variety of premium blends and find the ones you love most. Elevate your mornings and impress your guests with coffee creations worthy of your favorite cafe. And there you have it, the top 5 best Nespresso machines of 2025. Whether you love simple espresso shots or fancy latte masterpieces, there's an Nespresso here ready to brighten your mornings. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a delicious update.